James? Honey, did something happen to you after we got separated in that long hallway? Are you confusing me with someone else? You were always so forgetful.
Silent Hill
Remember
2
that time in the
Remake,
hotel?
set for release on October the 8th, 2024, faithfully reimagines the psychological horror of the original 2001 game.
I don't know why, but I just love it here. It's so peaceful.
Players once again step into the shoes of James Sunderland, drawn to the mysterious and haunting town of Silent Hill by a letter from his deceased wife, Mary. The remake preserves key elements like the fog-shrouded town, iconic monsters like Pyramid Head, and a deep psychological narrative. With enhanced visuals, modern mechanics, and a revamped atmosphere, this version aims to deliver both nostalgia and terror to new and old fans alike.
Put the gun to their head.
You can't just kill someone because the way they looked at you.
You should see your face, T.
Let go!
I'm sorry, Laura, but I can't let you just run around this place. You might get hurt.
Hurt by what?
Key features include immersive atmosphere. The town of Silent Hill is rendered with modern visuals, enhancing its unsettling fog and decayed beauty. Psychological depth. James Sunderland's journey is rooted in guilt, grief, and self-discovery, making the story more emotionally resonant. Iconic creatures, enemies like Pyramid Head return, redefined with grotesque detail, adding layers of dread to the experience. Updated combat and exploration, with modernized controls and improved environmental interactions.
You forgot that videotape we made.
How do you know about that? Aren't you Maria?
I'm not your Mary.
Gameplay is smoother but no less terrifying. The remake stays true to its core themes, exploring trauma, punishment, and the blurred line between reality and nightmare, while appealing to both newcomers and longtime fans.
You see it too? For me, it's always like this.
Doesn't matter who I am. I am here for you, James. See?